Hey guys, my name is Priyanka. A warm welcome to all of you on my channel. I did this loose and beautiful layered watercolor painting the other day, and I thought it's a good one to share with all of you. So let's get started with something similar today. So I will start by preparing the very light base layers for the flowers. It's a loose painting, so I'm not going to draw anything here. I'll just be painting the flowers with my pigments only. Like this. You can take any pigments of your choice and form any color story that you wish to. Just that the pigments need to be watery. Absolutely light first layers, just like a watermark. We will have to let this much dry and then we will start with the second layers. That's the thing with the layered painting. Before doing any second layer, the layer beneath has to dry. A lot of times when we feel that the layers or the pigments should merge, then we don't have to let the layer dry before doing the other layer. For example, suppose this is orange and I want a tinge of red and yellow to mix with it. So I'll do a red here and then I will do whichever, say, yellow I want, and I will just let those colors mix into each other. Then of course I don't have to let my layer beneath dry. So just like this, I will keep doing as many layers and form as many fuller flowers as I need for my painting. So for example, if we consider a rose flower, it has a lot of petals which are layered together. So something like that we keep in mind while we are doing this kind of a work. It will be a loose work, yet it should look like a layered flower. Because we are going to do a lot of layers on top of each other, letting it dry on its own is going to take a lot of time and our painting is going to become very lengthy. So I suggest we use a dryer to dry it and quicken our process. So many a times when you don't actually get a lot of time to paint, these paintings are, I think, a good practice. They never let you be out of touch with your paint and brush, and you're never out of practice actually. For those friends of mine who actually don't get a lot of time to paint, have very busy schedules, these paintings are very nice. They don't take a lot of time, and they don't let you be out of practice also with your work. See, we could have darkened these layers in the first go only, but doing it layer by layer gives a different feel to the painting. It shows that the flower has volume. So any of these kinds of paintings, I will always suggest you to do layer by layer and be patient with doing them, not do them very hurriedly, though in any case they're not going to take a very long time. So give that much time which a painting genuinely needs. And when you have a lot of practice, believe me, it's not going to take much time. You know where to darken it, where to lighten it, where to leave it. So then these paintings will not take you much time. So I think I'm done with my paint work, and now I'm going to do the doodle part once all this dries. So I'll quickly dry this with my drying tool and then do the next step. So let me do some of them with brush and some with a pen. So I think this much with a brush, and the rest I will do with pen. So guys, here is our quick, loose and beautiful layered watercolor painting. I hope you like the tutorial. In case you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you soon with yet another exciting tutorial. Till then, stay safe, keep happy, goodbye.